Alrighty. Oh, I think this lens is dirty. Hold on. There we go. I think so. Yeah. Cool. Alrighty, we're gonna go to Costco and get some pizza for the fam before I go over. Don't mind my check engine light. My smog is coming up soon. A little cold start for you guys. I'm gonna get tipped soon. I don't know when. I'm $1. Alright. Off to Costco we go. We're gonna warm this hoe up. This hoe all warmed up. This shit. Oh yeah.
Hop out, made it look sexy. They won't take me on my element. Nah, take me on my adjective.
Never mind, I'm not getting pizza because I guess everybody already ate pizza yesterday, so I'm here. It's whatever. Nice. Rice-a-broni, here I come. What a freaking mess. People just throwing crap on top of my car. Check it out. Good old door taps, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, this is her. So there's gonna be an update of what the hell I'm doing with the 350. So I plan on getting a 1J by March. And then from there, I'm in no time to put it in, honestly. Because for one, it costs a lot of money. And two, I want to prepare the engine before I put it in. So like gaskets, and if I want to keep the twin turbos, if it comes with twin turbos, and just go, you know, a little big single. But yeah, it'll be sitting right there within March, God willing. And I'm going to throw the sucker in. And I don't know. I want to put another VQ for the meantime, you know, get it registered and I can enjoy it like I do this. But I think I'm going to just go 1J because this is something I'd like to do. And I don't want it to blow up again. So I already have the trans just chilling. All dusty and ew. I have to clean that up, okay. Yeah, the trans is ready to go. Paint is ready to go. I already painted this. I don't think you can see it, but it has like a holographic
Damn. Hell,
I don't know, like holographic flakes in it. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Yeah, hopefully soon I'll be able to get the motor. My plans are probably get it in California because my goal is to go to California every year, just to visit friends and whatnot. So when I go out there this year, I plan to come back with a little souvenir, if you know what I mean. So yeah, 1JZ, here it comes, baby. This is the goal, everybody. This is the goal. Check it out. Dude, it's coming. It's coming. Golly. What do you have to say, Madre? What do you think of the 1JZ?
good.
And that's all, folks. Ding, 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 ding.